especially in classics. 1970 Chevrolet Nova 2-door post or 2-door sedan. Listen to this, 383 stroker underneath the hood, dyno sheets on it, 507 pound-feet of torque, 500 horsepower, the max readings on this. That's to the wheels. Dyno sheets will be included with the car. 383 strokers paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Does have a B&M shifter, actually a speed shifter for maximum performance by shifting manually. Take a look at the front grille, bumper murdered out, just has this menacing look with a silver paint. Cowl induction hood. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out the still pictures. 507-386-1726 is where you can call in. Will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Note the window tint on the side glass and rear glass. It is dark, so know your local and state laws as far as percentage of window tint that you can have. Kind of varies from state to state. I want you to be aware of that. 5-spoke American Racing, polished wheels, front disc brake conversion, slotted and drilled rotors. Nice to have with the horsepower you have underneath this hood. You want to make sure you got this car pointed the right direction and you're paying attention when you put the hammer down. Let's put it that way. I'll go through some more of the engine components and things underneath the hood in a bit. First of all, let's take a little closer look at this car. Flat black, again on the door handles, which really sets it off with the mirrors. You can also see that black vinyl top coming around, marker lights. If you noticed up front, the engine size logos on the side, which maybe just a little threatening, you might say. Come around to the back, take a look at the blacked out rear bumper, little SS badging on there. Obviously not representing this in SS. Great look to this car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. I'd say the paint shows well on it. Is it perfect? No. But hey, this car, you're taking it out to have some fun with it. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. And it has a nice shine to it. Good look, don't get me wrong. There may be an imperfection here or there. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Now for some more things underneath the hood. Before we fire it up, because I want to tell you before I get it running, again, 383 stroker. Does have a Holley EFI sniper system on it. It is a self-lowering system. Edelbrock aluminum heads, full roller motor, cam card included, electric water pump, 4-core aluminum radiator, heavy-duty trans cooler, 105 amp alternator, and it is a tank mounted fuel pump and new ascending unit. So there's some more about underneath the hood. We'll check that out in just a bit. First, let's look at this interior. So of course, black vinyl. Bucket seats up front. Obviously newer style bucket seats, black carpeting. You can see the B&M shifter. Does have an aftermarket stereo system in it with an amp in the trunk and a great sounding stereo system. This car makes a little noise and not a problem. You can get the radio louder than the car. Let's put it that way. Headliner, good shape. You can see the deck with the big 6x9s back there. Take a look at the still pictures. You'll see what I'm talking about, the trunk and the amp. Trunk's finished very nicely also. All right, now the best part. Let's have a little fun. Let you listen to this. Let it warm up just a tad here. It was a cold start. As you can see, fuel gauge working, pack working. There's a sniper system, stereo system.
Yeah, Friday, Mayo Clinic Health System Event Center. Get your tickets by going to our website.
Not a problem getting that louder than the car. Oil pressure. All right. I want you to hear this. check out this engine bay. Cowl induction hood. There you are. Again, power steering, power brakes. Nice looking engine bay too. Everything we talked about. Does have an Edelbrock RPM intake manifold there also. Look at these plug wires. Headers. Wow. '70 Chevrolet Nova, two-door poster, two-door sedan, 383 stroker, dyno sheets, remember 507 pound-feet of torque, 500 horsepower with a max at the wheels, they'll go with the car. Also some miscellaneous receipts. Of course, that cam card for the full roller motor also. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades, financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Very aggressive exhaust note. Very strong running car. This is an automatic on the floor. We have a tachometer mounted to the column. That is working. Turn signal's also working. Very good acceleration in this Nova. Lots of power, I must say. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays nice and straight. JVC radio working well. Under the dash we have an oil pressure gauge reading 52 psi. Fuel gauge is reading almost full. We have a Sniper EFI system here giving us some numbers. Battery is charging at 12.8. Very strong running Nova. Comfortable, nice wooden steering wheel. Brakes work well. This car corners well and not getting much lean at all. This car would do very well on a drag strip, I think. Lots of fun to drive. Aftermarket bucket seats are comfortable. Read all about this car and check out the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.